For property developers, master agents and service providers, building an introducer network is one of the fastest, least risky ways of penetrating new markets. You don't need to set up a new business, an office or a team in each country. And with video calling now so entrenched in everyday life, you don't even need to travel at all. You can just plug your product straight into active, successful partners. Partners that already have clients in your target market. Partners that know their way around the local marketing channels. Partners that you only need to pay based on sales completed. This really is the smart way to open up new sales markets with minimal cost risk. TMC can help you do this efficiently and cost effectively at a pace that suits you. We run campaigns that target global, regional, or even hyper-local markets using channels like LinkedIn, Google, Facebook, and Instagram. Our team is skilled in finding the right industry audience across all these channels, so you can leave that to us, while you focus on developing business relationships. If you're already building a network or thinking about setting one up, we'd love to talk to you. Get in touch today to set up a call.